Rob, what I wanted to show you was the most popular system that we have now in the marine electronics business. It's a Garmin product. It's a touchscreen product, kind of like the iPhone. They have incorporated the ability to use touchscreen rather than using buttons on more conventional units. As you'll see, I can move the maps along the screen. In fact, a lot of this technology is now being used in the automobile industry, as we all know. But this is about the only product in the marine industry that is touchscreen. And it's a multifunction device that we have GPS chart plotting. We have weather reception from satellites where we can actually see Doppler radars like you would see on TV as far as precipitation. We have radar that you can put into the system. We have fish finders, which I'll show you here. I'm going to touch the screen. It's going to come up with a menu for me. I'd like to see my sonar so I can see the fish. I want to go to full screen. And as you can see here, I'm getting a picture of the bottom. These are fish. This is the bottom right here. We're in 165 feet of water. If I want to split the screen perhaps between my mapping system, what I'll do is go to combinations. I think I'll look at my fish finder and my mapping system, which you'll see here. What you're going to be looking at here as the machine calculates is a three-dimensional picture of the bottom. We're looking at a traditional map. And you can customize the screen to show you any combination of features that you might want. I'll go back to the traditional navigation chart, which you can see right here. That's my boat. If you want to go someplace, home, where to? I want to go to a place where we'll search by name. I can type into the virtual keyboard virtually any popular location, Ocean Reef, the Seaquarium, Miami Beach Marina, and the machine will actually guide me to the marina. It'll tell me how far away we are, which direction I should steer to get there. It'll draw a course for me on the map, which would actually indicate itself as a pink line that one can follow with the vessel in order to get to where you want to go, and all the navigation information will fill out around the screen itself. So this is the state of the art with regards to marine electronics navigation today. And this company has positioned themselves way ahead of the competition. I think they're probably a couple years ahead of everybody else because nobody else has this touchscreen technology. And as you've seen in the phone industry, if you haven't got a touchscreen phone, you're not selling the phone. So iPhone has been leading the industry. Everybody's coming out with touchscreen technology, as I think you're going to find the rest of the marine electronics industry is going to be doing as well. You can find out more about the Garmin products on langerkrell.com. We have a website there with links to the manufacturers and so on, and all our contacts, and one can call us for service, for support, instructions, whatever we can do to help. langerkrell.com.